What's up, guys? I know I'm dressed up in the same video that y'all probably saw previous to this one, but I had to do a quick intro for this video that y'all are about to watch. It's the unboxing video of the Skar DDX-15 and the RP-1500. I purchased everything from SHOUTOut.com. Definitely, if you're in this in the market for some new audio equipment, alternator, batteries, accessories, anything bass related, definitely hit up JP at downforsoundshop.com. Follow him on Instagram, Facebook, Life of Price on YouTube. Man, he's basically insane with the audio, man. Love this dude. His customer service is A1, basically A1. But if you ever have any customer support issues, email him. He'll basically send you an email within the next 30 minutes or so. I love that dude. Great products, great shipping, fast shipping. He ships 9-10 o'clock at night if he has to, man. Great dude. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's the unboxing of the DDX-15 and the RP-1500. Hope y'all like it. Share down below what your build is in the future, what you plan on doing with your current car, audio, questions, suggestions, ideas, post them down below, man. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little unboxing video. Peace out and God bless. Without further ado, here we go. Let's do it very gently. Don't want to damage any content in here. I gotta admit, they did package this very well. Taped up, very nice. Huge shout out to Down for Sound Shop. JP, Jonathan Price down there. Great man, great customer service. What can I say, man? He'll shoot you an email within like freaking 15 minutes. Or even, sooner sometimes, depending on the circumstances. But man, his customer service is awesome. Alright, let's see what we got here. I might have to adjust this camera a little bit. Gotta flip this flap up. Put the knife up for now. Move this box over. Alright, let's see. Alright, it's a box inside of a box. I like that. I like that a lot. So I'm just holding the camera right now. It is a box inside of a box, which is definitely great when it comes to shipping. Alright, let's get it cut. That's not even cut good, but oh well, here we go. Dun dun dun. Alright, we got the user manual right here. It is a DDX series subwoofer. They've got the 10, 12, and 15. And of course, it's just got the, let me see. It's got basically just the specs of what each subwoofer is, like the 10, 12, and then the 15. Voice coils, so and so. You can check that out on the website, of course. Throw that away. And we are going to open it up right now with some pretty thick cardboard for on top, which is awesome. Cardboard doesn't even look damaged either, so that's good. All right, here we go. Bam! Sha-la-la-la. We have the Skar 15-inch DDX-15, buddy. Oh, that sucker is gorgeous. Now, of course, I can't get it out of here with one hand, so give me a second. Out of the box, and I have it on the desk now. This thing, the box says it is 37 pounds, and I swear this thing feels like it's a lot heavier than that, but this thing is heavy. So let me go ahead and take this protective plastic off of it so you can actually see the subwoofer. And this thing is gorgeous. Now, roast me all you want, guys. I don't know specs of what each little thing is underneath the subwoofer, like voice coils, spider webs, or whatever the heck they call them. But all I know is I love bass and I love subwoofers, so bear with me, roast me all you want. I deserve it. But this thing is massive. Beautiful dust cap. I know what that is. Double stitching right here, which is awesome. This thing is freaking awesome. I'm going to keep saying awesome in this video, but it is awesome. I love it. Let me get this plastic off of the bottom here. See that magnet right there? That thing is massive. I love it. I love the Skar Audio logo. I just think it's awesome. It's got the push for the terminals, the push to release thingamabonkers. I know, hate me all you want. I call them thingamabonkers. Both sides. This thing is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love the back of it. This thing, I swear, I admit, guys, man, this thing is heavy. I love it, man. Love it, love it. 1000 watts RMS. Can't wait to get this sucker installed. I'll be doing another video explaining what I plan on doing to the to my Challenger. So be on the lookout for that one. Because this right now, I'm just doing this unboxing so you can see the quality of this. I know the lighting sucks, but so you can see the quality of these subs. Ordering from Down for Sound Shop, definitely do it, man. This thing is awesome quality. That's gonna look awesome. So next, I'm going to unbox the RP-1500 Skar Audio amp. So stay tuned. Here we go. All right, guys, time for box number 2. This is the RP-1500. Shout out to downforsoundshop.com. Definitely hit them up. JP, awesome guy. Awesome guy. So let's go ahead and find a place to cut this. I think I'll cut it right up in here. Let's try that. Oh, that's not working. Alright, let me try this corner here. I think that's a flap. I think it's a flap. I think. I'm doing this with one hand, so if I cut myself, it's for your entertainment purposes. Haha, I know that's a lame joke. Alright, there we go. Jackpot. Open her up. Alright, we got some let's see, I think this was just for packaging purposes. It's the box keeps falling on me. Let me set the box down. Alright, first we got this. It was on the top. I think that was just packaging, extra packaging to make sure it doesn't move around inside. Alright, now let's see what we got in here. We got some more paper to make sure that sucker does not move around in that box, which is awesome. And then here is the amp. Let's get it out. RP-1500. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. There is paper. Come on, shake it out. Shake. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Shake. I think there's some more stuff in here. There we go, finally. Got this out of here. I think that's just more packaging. I'm not for sure. Let me take a look. Well, guys, I was wrong about this rolled up envelope here. It is actually some Down for Sound Shop goodies. Shoot, JP, man, you is the man. JP is the man. Down for Sound lanyard, and this is a voltmeter, if I'm not mistaken. It's a voltage meter thingamabonker. Awesome, and of course, always the infamous dum-dums. Awesome. Down for Sound Shop right there. JP, you the man. Got a Down for Sound Shop decal for the car. Then another decal right there, and then of course my order form, and then definitely a little flyer right here. Authorized dealer, check them out, downforsoundshop.com. He's got, man, DC audio, depth mount Skar like I got. Sundown, man, hit him up. definitely hit him up for all this stuff for your automotive need, your subwoofer, speakers, amps, batteries, all that, man. Definitely hit him up. Now let's forget about these little goodies here. Of course they're awesome, but let's get to what we are here for. The RP-1500. Here we go. Well, bam, look at this beauty. Skar audio. RP-1500.1D, 1500 watt RMS. This thing is actually a pretty nice size. Alright, I'm gonna have to do some more cutting. Bear with me, guys, doing this with one hand. I'm in a tight spot in this little corner over here, so let's see. Oh man, this thing is gorgeous. It's actually not the same, the whole length of the box, which is cool. Kind of thought it was at first. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. I like it. I love it. Skar audio, buddy. And then of course you got your wire, your plugs over here off to the side. Let me try to lift it out here slowly. It's actually pretty heavy too. And of course you got your owner's manual like you do with the subwoofer. And over to the side, if I'm not mistaken, this little box right here is your bass knob. Let's open this up just to confirm. Make sure they didn't jip me, but that's just a joke. I know they wouldn't jip me. I'm tearing this box up. Yes, sir, I was right. It is the bass control knob, max min. You know, for every amp you get, usually you get a bass knob. And then that is it for the amp, basically. You get your bass knob, you get your amp, and then you've got the wires for it. But this amp, man, it is great quality. I love it. You got your, I'm just going to leave the protective coat packaging on this, just so I don't have to repackage it. Then you've got your terminals here, your plug-ins, all along the side. And then over here, you got the other, your gains. You got your LPF, your subsonic, your bass equalizer, all that stuff right there. Man, I'm just gonna keep this short and simple, man. This amp is awesome. Amp's great. JP it down for sound. Definitely give him 2 thumbs up if I could right now, but you know I'm holding the GoPro with my other hand, so I can't give him 2 thumbs up. But definitely 2 thumbs up. JP, you the man. Definitely shout out for all these goodies that you sent me along with it. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm gonna be shooting another video telling you guys what I plan on doing with this stuff. So hope you enjoyed this video, man. Peace out and God bless.